Welcome to this YouTube channel, and I encourage you to subscribe to enjoy mathematics or even further mathematics in a very simple way. Alright, now today we want to look at how to solve simple differentiation. I call it simple differentiation because it is different from implicit and other forms of differentiation. So how do you solve differentiation? How do you solve simple differentiation? Works as this. Now let's look at this example. Y equals to ax raised to the power of n. In differentiating, the first thing you do is to say your dy, this is a y function, dy over dx equals the number or whatever it is on the power. This power will multiply this coefficient of x. This is x. The coefficient of x is a. So this power n will multiply this coefficient of x, which is a. So we have n multiplied by, I make that multiplication dot because I don't want to write times. Times will look like x, alright? So n multiplied by a. Then of course you rewrite this x raised to power n and remove 1 from the power. You lessen the power by 1, and that's all. It's as simple as that. So at the final, in the final answer, we have n a x n raised to power x raised to power n minus 1, and that is how to solve simple differentiation.